Alright, welcome back to Nifty Network. If your headlight looks like that, you probably need to remove it. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. The tools you're going to need is a pry tool and a 10 mil. And that's about it. So we're going to do these last, these push clips. And in the bumper, so this car doesn't have a fender liner. Normally you have to go under the fender liner to get the bumper portion off. So there's 2 bolts on the bottom of it and bolts up here on the top, and then also the center shroud piece. I want to say there's like 10 mils that are connected. So you'll have to take the undershroud off and then take the front portion of the fender liners out, and then you'll be able to get to this. Clearly this has been crashed. Sorry, they're normally not like this. I normally don't have to stick my head in here to find out where it's at. And when I get this off, I'll show you where the bolts normally go. Sorry, this is all broken in here. Okay, so normally there will be a screw that comes up right here and right here. It's normally really easy to get to, and that's a 10 mil. So we'll go to the other side. Other side should be pretty easy. And this side has a fender liner, so we'll lay under here. And there's going to be that one, and that one, and that will loosen up that. There's a couple clips that pop off like that, and then you're able to move the fender liner out of the way. Normally it comes off like that, and then that loosens up there. And there's gonna be one more 10 mil that is holding the bumper bracket to the headlight. So there's 3 total per side. And this will kind of show you a little better now that it's open. This goes to the bottom of the headlight, and then this connects the bumper to the fender. All right, now that we got both those sides done, we can come to the top. Get the pry tool in there. All right, and then once you got that, just give her a little zing, and then she is off. All right, next we're gonna take the headlights off, and then if I remember correctly, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 10 mils. There's one. And then there is this foam piece that's in my way. There's one there. One there. One there. You're going to give that a little wiggle. Have it come forward. Don't pull too hard because there is a plug. Can you see it in there or no? Yeah? Anyways, press that plug. And there you go. Driver's side is out. And this side was crashed, so the tab might be a little bent, but we can still go over it. We'll start at this top one. Yeah, that tab is broken. That's part of the foam piece. There's number 2. There's number 3. That tab is broken. And number 4 tab is completely gone. This side you have a little more room to pull it out. I don't know why. It's just how Nissan decided to do it. Push that little tab down. Come on. And there you go. That is how you remove your headlights. Hopefully your headlights don't look like this and you're just getting cool new ones. But if they look like that, that's how you get them off.